How to prepare and market for online sessions by WhatsApp, Zoom, and Chat GPT. Let's go now. First of all, you have to schedule or make the session online using the Zoom, and then you have to copy this link of this session, online session. So this session will be attended or happen in next 20 of May, Wednesday, Monday of 20 of May from 6 to 7 p.m. Okay, this is the first thing, and after copying it, you have to copy in some place like here. This is the invitation and this is the link. Okay, and the second thing is to create a group in WhatsApp. To create a group in WhatsApp, this is the group I created in WhatsApp for including all the attenders before the session, and you have then use the Chat GPT to prepare a very good motivating message using Chat GPT. So using Chat GPT, tell Chat GPT to write a motivating message to students to attend an online Python revision or blah 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 revision or blah 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 introduction or the topic name through Zoom. Okay, and so here the subject: join our Python revision session on Zoom. Let's as Python together. Okay, this is the subject. And here, dear students of grade 10, and put the date and time and the platform, the link of the platform, and why you attend, and how to join. And here increase number 4, join the our WhatsApp group before attending the session. So I prepare for and know how many one will attend the session. Okay, and then copy this and post it in your WhatsApp groups or classes, WhatsApp classes. Okay, as we will show you. So I copy the message and paste it in a new file, Word file, Control V, and I will make the modification. Then I will copy here the platform here. And all things copy and put in the invitation here. Here, then you have to read carefully and edit. Then invite them to join your group through WhatsApp group, and copy the WhatsApp group from here. And this. Paste it here. then format all to be in the same font and size. So let the format here for 18 like this, or 16. Can decrease. And finally, you share this message in groups, and you can ask your colleagues to share this message in their school groups through WhatsApp groups and Facebook. So let's go and see how to do this. I will start with this one. You can include also your LinkedIn account here, or Facebook account, anything. Could go and bring your contacts here. I will bring the LinkedIn and YouTube account. The LinkedIn X there here down. It will be my code was. See, save here, and go back here and put it here. Now copy all this, all here. WhatsApp group, so you paste this invitation in here, and you can forward it in other groups. this group. Here. 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 You can share up to 5 groups only. You can do it another time. You can here. In the class, okay, and then paste it. It will be, but remove this one. The first one I will remove, and then share. Not here. And then share. After here is true, you can share it. And share it and also on Facebook. Paste here. And up. Can put hashtag. And post. And then next. Select just 3 pages. If here thanks, like the video and share it, and if there is any question, don't hesitate to write your question and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.